I'm Kaval. Today we are going to discuss about what are prime numbers and what are composite numbers in detail. So let's begin. Prime number. A number that is not divisible by any number except itself is called prime numbers. It means it is not even number, not odd number, only so divisible by its own number, like 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3 are called prime numbers. Always remember, you will say, ma'am, this is 2, 2 is also even number. Yes, it is true, but remember, 2 is also a prime number, okay, because it is not divisible by any number except itself. So always remember that prime numbers always start from 2, not 1. Remember, prime numbers can never be less than 2. It always starts from 2. You must have to learn it. 2 is also even number. 2 is also a prime number. Okay, don't forget. So we will start from 2, 2, 3, 5. Do we have 4 here? No, because 4 is also a even number. This could not be in prime number. Okay, 5 odd, 7 odd. Do we have 9 here? No, 9 is the odd number, and 8 is an even number. We cannot place in prime number. Prime numbers are only those numbers which are not divisible by any number except itself. Don't forget. Okay, 7, 11, 13. Do we have 14, 15? No, because 14 is also divisible by 2. It's an even number, and 15 is also divisible by 3. It's an odd number. So always remember that a number which is not divisible by any number except itself are known as prime numbers, except 2. 2 is even number also, and 2 is also prime number. So don't forget, you must have to learn it. Okay, next thing. What are composite numbers? Okay, a number that is divisible by more than 2 numbers are called composite numbers. For example, 10. 10, I have lot of numbers. You can say that 4, you can say 16, 8, whatever. But I just write just few examples. 10 is a composite number because it came in two tables, 2 and 5. 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10. 12, 2 3s are 2 6 are 12, and 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12. So it's a number which is divisible by more than 2 numbers. In other words, you can say a number which has more than 2 factors are known as composite number. Okay, 10, 12, 15, 18, 24, these are all known as composite numbers. I don't write I selectedly, I just write randomly. Okay, so don't confuse between prime numbers and even and composite number. Okay, the number which is not divisible by any number except itself are known as prime numbers, and a number which has more than 2 divisors, or you can say more than 2 factors, are called composite number. So don't forget. Now we have example here. Distinguish between prime numbers and composite number. I have given few numbers, so you have to select what are even and what are prime and what are composite number, right?